Hey, what's up guys, Austin here, and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a giveaway for your YouTube channel. And giveaways are just a really nice way of not only promoting your social media presence, but also giving back to your viewers and to your subscribers that have supported you through the many months and the trivial year of 2020. So what you want to go on ahead and do is head on over to the website called gleam.io. Make sure you go on ahead and create your account, and when you create your account, make sure you pick the free plan of this really nice service. And once you've done that, you're going to see a page very similar to this, if not pretty much the same to this. And then in the upper right hand corner, you want to click on create new competition. Alright guys, it's going to go on ahead and it's going to load. And once you click on this, it's going to ask you to select a template. What you want to go on ahead and do is click on the one that says starts from scratch. That's also free. Click on this. Alright guys, and once you are on this page, you're going to see step 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So step 1 is where you basically go on ahead and you name the title of your giveaway. So in this case, I'm going to name it 10 Years of Good Luck. Oh yeah, and keep in mind guys, disclaimer, this is not a real giveaway. After all, I can't give you guys 10 years of good luck. And then you can go on ahead and you can click the when it starts, and also click when it ends, and also select the time. So in this case, I'm just going to click on July the 10th, and I'm just going to have it end on, not August, July the 11th. You can also type in your terms of services and conditions in here, and you can also click on the time zone tab right here, so you can select your time zone. So in this case, I'm going to go on ahead and click on Central Time, because that is my time zone. Click on that. You can also select if you want to have a CAPTCHA or not. I'm just going to click on always require CAPTCHA. Click on user details. And in here, you can enter in your minimum age. Allow you to select on your Facebook page, which is optional. And you can go on ahead and allow the ways of how people can log in to enter into your competition. So as you can see, there are a variety of options that you can pick on: Steam, Spotify, Twitch TV, YouTube. I'm going to click on YouTube. And and down here you can add the custom fields, increase the amount of data that you collect from your users. So the full name and the email is just honestly going to be everything that you need. That way you know who to email, who won the competition. Then you want to go on ahead and click on how to enter. And this is the very interesting part. You can click on the different ways that people can enter in your giveaway. So in this case, I'm going to go on ahead and click on Twitter. I'm going to click on follow on Twitter. And then you want to go on ahead and enter in your username. Not your username, your username. So hey, it's Austin. Then you can set how many entries that doing this is worth. You can also set it to be mandatory and if it requires authorization. I'm not going to go on ahead and do this. I'm going to also go on ahead and click on the YouTube tab and click on a YouTube entry. Now, as you can see, YouTube changed its terms of services. That way, people couldn't go on ahead and subscribe to your channel in order to get into the giveaway, but they can go on ahead and you can have them go on ahead and visit your channel. So I'm going to click on this, enter using YouTube. I'm going to set it to 1, and that is going to be it. You can also check out the other options for yourself. I'm going to click on prizes. And then what you want to go on ahead and do is enter in the title of your prize. So I'm going to click on 10 Years of Good Luck. I totally spelled that wrong, but whatever. And then you can enter in your details. So I'm just going to type in 10 Years of Good Luck. And then you can select the total number of the winners. Now, since you were on the free plan, the maximum limit of people that you can select to be a number of winners is 10. So I'm just going to go on ahead and click on 10. After all, I am giving away 10 years of good luck, so why not give it out to 10 people? And then what you want to go on ahead and do is post your entry. And then, well, the last thing you want to do is click on save. Alright guys, and it was successfully saved. Now I'm going to go on ahead and just head back over to my competition tab. Well, the competitions page. And as you can see, my scheduled competition is 10 years of good luck. It starts in an hour. But if I wanted to go on ahead and edit it again, I would go on ahead and I would click on it right down here. And as you can see, you can go on ahead and you can click on edit to edit the competition. I'm going to click on cancel because I'm not going to change anything. And in order to see the landing page or what the giveaway is going to look like, you just want to go on ahead and click on the landing page. I'm sorry about that. That's the wrong one. Hit cancel. Hit hosting landing page. And yeah, here you are, guys. This is what the giveaway is going to look like. But yeah, guys, if this helped you out, drop a like, subscribe, and, share this video to other people who are looking to do giveaways. And with that being said, guys, I will see you guys in the next one.